Hey, I'm Doc. This is a PopCast mini episode. We recently did an episode about snap tricks, which are my favorite style of yo-yo tricks. And it got me thinking about this trick that I saw Steve Brown do from Caribou Lodge and YoYoNews.com. He was at the World Yo-Yo Contest in Orlando, Florida, just kind of hanging out on the stage and did this insane snap start trick that has haunted me ever since then. So I asked him to show it to us.
Hey, here's a trick I came up with probably about 15 years ago. It's probably the most ineffective way possible to put a new string on a yo-yo. I developed this partly to force myself to practice my snap starts and partly because I'm a show-off.